KBGA Missoula, you're listening to Missing 中国, and now it's Today in Chinese History. On May 11th, 1995, China became the sixth nation to successfully develop a Maglev train. The Maglev train, short for magnetic levitation train, is a novel model of transportation that achieves contactless suspension and guidance through electromagnetic forces while utilizing linear motors for propulsion. Based on speed, these trains are categorized into two classes: high speed, 400 to 600 kilometers per hour, and medium to low speed, 100 to 200 kilometers per hour. The core system of a maglev train consists of suspension, propulsion, and guidance mechanisms. During operation, it maintains a clearance of approximately 10 millimeters above the track. In 1922, German engineer Hermann Kemper proposed the principle of electromagnetic levitation and subsequently filed a patent for it. Beginning in the 1970s, countries including China, Germany, Japan, and the United States successively embarked on the research and development of maglev transportation systems. Following the successful development of its manned maglev train in 1995, China launched the world's first commercial high-speed maglev demonstration line in Shanghai in 2002, reaching a top speed of 430 kilometers per hour. As of 2022, China has established a product series of medium to low-speed maglev trains, spanning versions 1.0 through 3.0, and has successfully implemented their commercial application in cities such as Beijing and Changsha. With its advantages of high speed, efficiency, eco-friendliness, safety, low noise levels, and zero pollution, the development of magnetic technology aligns perfectly with China's development strategies. Consequently, as the commercialization of the maglev market matures and technological advancements continue in the future, its prospects are immeasurable. Thank you for listening to Today in Chinese History.